All right, so welcome again, people, to MG Sports TV. I am your host, don't know already, Maria Dakers, aka MG Sports, anything you want to call me. Mad sometimes, good sometimes, crazy sometimes. Yeah, that is me, as always, and I'm always here with you guys. A face that you will see every day, all day, every time, every year. Just no say all that's to me. Big up on yourself, people. Hit the like button if you guys are coming in. Really appreciate you guys dropping by. If you just drop by and saying hello, please do so by hitting the like button. And also big up the subscribers. Thank you very much, guys. You guys have definitely joined me in a tremendous journey. And fun fact, before the end of the year, I set out a target. And let me tell you, I'm going to be very frank. I set out a target that at the end of this year, I wanted to hit, I think it was 30,000 subscribers. That was my target. I think the target was I set that target in January. I wanted to hit 30,000 subscribers. And would you believe it? We're actually on the road to 50,000 subscribers. When I started this, I would never believe that I would reach this landmark. I never. I can clearly remember, a few of you guys were here from day one. Remember that I was at like 200, real struggling, to reach even 500 subscribers. I know, would you look at that? Anyways, we're not here to discuss that. Big up to our patrons, massive respect to our patrons, and also our channel members. Thank you very much, people. You guys continue to help the program push along. So we're going to speak about Jamaica versus Canada, CONCACAF Nation League second leg matchup. As you can see here, these are the talking points that we'll be touching on tonight. Mikel Antonio and his injury, Jamaica Reggae back into the squad. We're going to do a review of the Jamaica 1, Canada 2 game. We're going to have a holistic look at that game. And then we're going to do have a predicted line. No, that shouldn't be a predicted lineup. Oh yeah, we're going to do a predicted lineup. Let me see if I can fix that. We're going to do a predicted lineup, people. Where is it? And then also a prediction. Predicted lineup, that's basically what we think the coach will go with. And we generally say, nah, go nothing we think or nothing what we say. But you know, we have to do our stuff and give our insight and our input. Yeah. Yeah. So thank you very much, people, for consistently tuning in. And please do hit that like button if you haven't done so as yet. And certainly, if you're here for the first time and you like if you don't like me, no say not like me. Hard for like. But if you like the content, hit the like button. If you like the facts that we put on YouTube, hit the like button for that. If you mistakenly book up on the content or accidentally came here, just leave a like before you go. Thank you very much. We have to get the admin stuff out of the way. Anyways, let's get to the meat of the matter. Jamaica lost the first leg at home horribly. Kick our own self. Can you imagine how hard it is for you to use your own 2 foot or 2 feet to kick yourself in the chest? How you do that? How can you do that? You must have a phenomenal bending skills or flexibility to be able to kick yourself in the chest. That's exactly what we did. Don't ask how. I don't know the magic behind of it. I don't know the circumstances behind it. But that's exactly what we did. Phenomenal. May I tell you, phenomenal, man. Brilliant. We don't know how we do it, but we do it. Vivian said, you're so rich after you. Big up yourself, Vivian. K Sports, big up yourself. Deco. Big up yourself. TNT Clip USMNT, but it was enough still. But at least they protect them home field. Well done. That's what we should have done. Protect our home turf. And unfortunately, we did not do so. And in the business of football, people, let me tell you something. I'm going to find out. You see your home turf, you have to protect it. It's very important that you protect your home turf. Because so much things are happening. And if you don't protect your home turf, everyone is expecting to get something at home. That's what they're expecting. Get something at home. And if you don't take anything at home, you're already up on the wrong foot. You're already treading thin waters. You're already treading thin waters. Anyways, what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring up some information regarding Mikel Antonio, so we can just divulge into that just a little bit, because it is very, very sad. It's really, really sad. So let me just get that up right now. I'm very, very disappointed about the entirety of the situation. If I'm being honest, people, really, really, I'm disappointed. We're also going to look into what Al Grimson said about Leon Bailey. Another question is, will Leon Bailey be fit to play? That's also another question I would certainly want to know. Okay, no, so that's not it. Window capture. Good. All right, so so I'm gonna take myself out of the way. Let's understand what's going on here with Mikel Antonio. Let's see if we can get an understanding here. As you can see, the article. So let's read what the article is saying, people. It's very important that we read. I don't know if someone bright already still, but we have to read. Very much so. As you can see, West Ham are furious amid fears. Mikel Antonio has suffered a long-term knee injury with Jamaica. Interesting. West Ham are hungry with the pitch conditions. The pitch conditions. They're interesting. Very, very interesting. And the fact Antonio played for an extra 10 minutes after the injury. He will return for tests. He may miss 6 weeks out. Or worst case scenario, be 9 months out, where it will completely end his season. Ooh. Now, one positive thing I have to say about that, what happened there, is that Mikel Antonio actually walked off the pitch. It's the only positive thing I have to say about that. Let me see if I can find the article. I'm trying to see if I can find the article, people, so we could get more in depth on it. It's quite interesting. Really, really interesting. Let me see. Let me just type in here, up here, people. Mikel Antonio injury. So it's just an article that I am. Okay, so this is West Ham International update. Mikel Antonio suffers knee ligament injury and is out for 3 months. Ooh. Whoa. 3 months? That is really tough. So, well, at least we've gotten now more details where the injury is concerned. So Mikel Antonio is out for 3 months with a ligament injury. It's sad. It's very, very sad, people. Antonio and I said, no age, no, they're angry. Before angry, brother. Okay, we have now the brilliant English teachers in the comment section. He's angry. He's very, very angry. He's furious. Sheldon New York said, we need a win tomorrow and keep a clean sheet. MG Grimmy broke a 35-year-old record by losing to Canada at home. Really and truly, still Canada actually a better team than us, technically. So I don't think it's Grimm's fault. I think maybe if we play under that coach and another coach, we would still lose that record. Maybe it's because when last have we played Canada at home? When last have we played? Have we played Canada at home since Canada has become really, really good? Have we done that? If Bailey not fit, we're gonna lose surely, and it will show up that Gray needs Bailey like Bailey needs him, along with Bobby Sachs up top. No, it's very important that we understand what is happening now, people. It's very, very important that we understand what is happening. And as it stands, I cannot, you can't be upset. You can't be. How should I put it now? As it stands, let me say it again. It can't be a case in which we can't find suitable replacement for some of our players. Players who can come in are competent enough to get the job done. But what we're seeing right here, specifically, is we might end up without Mikel Antonio for, well, West Ham, because I think this is our last FIFA window. I think this should be our last FIFA window, people. I think. If we have another FIFA, no, this should be our last FIFA window. So where Reggae Boyz is concerned, maybe we don't have that to worry about. But Mikel and West Ham, they're in a dire situation now, and this is going to cost them big time. This is definitely going to cost them big time. I don't understand that they will be furious. But where they're speaking about being angry about the pitch conditions, I don't think that makes any sense. Because the pitch was actually quite good. It was in really, really good condition. Top condition. It's not like overnight the drainage system for the pitch on the pitch surface itself was really, really good. And the pitch was in good condition. So I don't really understand that part of it. Nevertheless, I would understand the reason why they're angry. That's just football, and they've lost a vital player. And certainly, let's see how their season progress, specifically without one of their marquee player in Mikel Antonio. So from my perspective, speedy recovery Mikel Antonio. Hopefully it's not a 9 months long period, and it's just a 3 months or 6 weeks. Where I'm praying that that's the case, so that you as an individual can get better and have a better recovery. So that's it for where Mikel Antonio is concerned. We are now going to turn our face towards the next